Congrats bro, congrats.
Congrats bro. Nanbar.
Sama Mirna.
Yang nasi berapa kita tongkat dua yang kita. Aku hadir. Mantap, mantap.
Monday to Saturday regular training. Morning and evening both.
이게 트레이닝 활동으로 사몽 먹는 거고 몸이 체인지 맞겠다.
Chamu healthy protein makayo tiny ne jodi se game ni bagay if you're cutting your weight then obviously you need diet book control makayo like game khana hinke diet tesha ma bari depending on the game we play.
능 어제 코스너 나하마니 아버리 나하르무 감.
Coach nada? Coach coaching bagay he sacrifices everything like he's everywhere jeng sai chung phano competition thangke sir jese phano sai chung no phano masa player phano sir ji logi na phano
이게 능 어버 개번호 저리 우자 스랑 나키 셀프 디펜스 bagay.
self defense ni bagay pila join khaina ni agi cherapur chimi baba bai kisa khaina ni ta to sir bai agi puru shiniza baba bai shiniza and then sir academy kata kulo go hinke join khaina ni join khaina ni ta ke I'm starting to like it so like planning to make it my profession.
Oh, thank you. So please tell us about step one by one step. First step, what is first step? Second step, third step.
Steps for
Training first, second.
Training, you have to come join the gym, start with warm-ups, and then we have a lot of cardios, then some weights, then the main training, Muay Thai, boxing, or BJJ.
Do you feel any disturbance in your education?
No, it's totally fine, balanced.
Thank you. So, what do you want to express your feeling to the viewers of the news that expecting from you something?
Viewers, every one of us, self-defense is something everyone should learn. So I encourage every one of you. Thank you.